Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I did a makeup look on this look that I'm wearing right now, and it's a cool makeup look, and I'm wearing a red lip, something that I never usually do. I never wear red lips, but I decided since today's Christmas Eve and I was doing this makeup look, I thought I would also pair it with a cool eye look. It has a little bit of warm tones, but it's pretty cool for me. I usually wear oranges, browns, that kind of stuff, so it's definitely out of my comfort zone. Sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this. And the products that I use a different foundation I've been loving because it matches my olive skin tone. And I use a sample from Sephora, and I'm gonna purchase it. And then I use some concealer that I haven't gotten for a long time, so whatever. I'm blabbing, okay, whatever. Just enjoy the video. Bye.
Step on your land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out, no. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, our fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on your land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out, no. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. I really appreciate you guys. Happy holidays!